Alright Texas, in my last video, I promised to reveal the hidden clause that's in most employer life insurance policies, the one that can cut your family's payout in half when they need it most. Before I show you this, I want you to know that I'm getting calls at 281-445-1381 from people all over Texas who watched that first video and checked their policies. What they're finding is shocking. Let me show you exactly what to look for. This is a real employer life insurance policy from a major Texas company. I've removed the company name for privacy, but this language appears in most Texas employer plans. Here's the clause. Benefits may be reduced by amounts payable under Social Security, workers' compensation, or other employer-provided benefits. Oh, it sounds harmless, right? Here's what it actually means. Let's say you think you have $200,000 in employer coverage. Your family files a claim and the insurance company says, we're reducing your benefit by the Social Security survivor benefits your family will receive. If your spouse gets $2,000 per month in Social Security survivor benefits, that's $24,000 per year. The insurance company can reduce your $200,000 benefit by the present value of those Social Security payments. For a 30-year-old spouse with 30 years of life expectancy, that could be a reduction of $400,000 or more in present value terms. Your $200,000 policy just became a $0 policy. This is exactly why I review every policy for free when Texas families call me at 281-445-1381. Most people have no idea this clause exists. But here's what's even worse. There's a second clause in most employer policies called coordination of benefits. This means if you have any other life insurance, even a small $10,000 policy you forgot about, your employer coverage can be reduced dollar for dollar. So if you smartly tried to supplement your employer coverage with a small individual policy, your employer policy might disappear entirely. The Miller family in Sugar Land discovered this the hard way. Tom had $150,000 in employer coverage plus a $50,000 individual policy he bought years earlier. When Tom passed away, his employer policy was reduced to $100,000 because of the coordination clause. This is why I tell every Texas family, call me at 281-445-1381 and let me review your exact situation. I can spot these clauses in minutes and show you exactly what your family would actually receive. Now here's the third problem with employer coverage that most Texas professionals don't realize. Employer life insurance is group coverage. Group coverage has different payout rules than individual coverage. With group coverage, insurance companies can contest claims for up to 2 years for any reason. With individual coverage, after 2 years, it's incontestable. The insurance company must pay, period. But here's what insurance companies don't want you to know. There's a way to get individual coverage that costs less than most people spend on coffee, follows you from job to job, has no hidden clauses, and actually pays your family when they need it. Most insurance agents won't tell you this because they make more commission on expensive whole life policies. In my next video, I'm going to reveal this industry secret. I'll show you exactly how to get $500,000 in coverage for less than $50 per month with no medical exam and no hidden clauses. I'll also share the real stories of 3 Texas families who made this switch and how much money they're saving while getting better protection. I've been helping Texas families with this exact strategy for years. I work with A+ rated companies, and I only recommend what I would buy for my own family. But remember, life insurance rates are increasing every 45 days. The longer you wait, the more expensive your coverage becomes. And if you develop any health issues, your rates could double or triple. Don't wait for my next video if you want to protect your family now. Call me at 281-445-1381. I'll spend 15 minutes showing you exactly what coverage you need and how to get it at the lowest possible rate. Texas families deserve better than these employer policy traps. Let me show you how to get real protection.